Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sable Albanese. Today's video, I'm going to show you quickly how to remove gel polish. Just a few days ago, I showed you how to use my Red Carpet Ready nail system, and it's already chipping. It's just time to come off. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get my notifications. I'm only using 4 supplies. That's going to be a few cotton balls, and I rip them up in half, 100% acetone, a nail buffer, and aluminum foil. You divide up the aluminum foil and rip them up into 2-inch squares, and then I just place the soaked cotton ball over my nail and then wrap the aluminum foil around it. It's less messy, it's so fast, very easy to do. You can even do this if you like to remove your nails polish or acrylics before you go to the nail salon. Thanks for watching.